Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 173,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.